Hello everyone, welcome to week 3, creating tables and multi-page reports. This is our last week of Microsoft Word. Let's take a look at this week's objectives. Creating tables, sorting tables, editing and formatting a table, set custom tab stops, create footnotes and endnotes, divide a document into sections, and insert a cover page. Tables are so useful for so many things, organizing data, rearranging data, making really cool layouts. And so I really want to focus my energy in this micro lecture getting you set up for your week 3 assignment. Because we're new users, we're going to start by creating a 1-month calendar. And so you're going to definitely need to watch my video on tables. So just a few high points right now. We're going to go to the Layout tab, change the margins to narrow, and your orientation to landscape. When you insert your table, you have to give some thought on how you're going to develop your table, where you're going to put your month, what month you're going to choose. So, after you've decided that, you're going to go to the Insert tab, choose Tables, and right on this grid, we're going to pull the number of rows and columns that we need. And for now, I'm going to just do a 7 by 7 table, so I am definitely not going to finish this. But I do know I need 7 days for the week. I'm going to select my entire table on the Layout tab. I believe the easiest way is to just start changing the height. You want to be careful, and so I'm looking down here where it says page 1 of 1, that I don't go so far as to, see right there, page 1 of 2. If I scroll down, I have a row. If I scroll down, I can see that I have a row on page 2. So that's your first point. Make sure that it fits just on a single page. After you adjust the rows, you could then go ahead and individually adjust a row or a column. The other thing I want to touch on is when you insert a picture in a table, it is really going to resize the cell that it's in. I talk about this in my video on tables, but I don't want to be frustrated, so I'm going to say it here again. If I want to insert a table in this cell, insert, and go to Online Pictures. I'm going to just go to Birthday Cakes. I'm going to choose Birthday Cake to insert. Just made a mess of my table. This is what I want to make sure that you don't get concerned with. As soon as you insert your picture, just that reminder, we talked about this in week 2, we have our layout options. We can change our text wrapping. Please change your text wrapping to in front of text. Once you do that, you can size it down. Until it's going to fit in whatever day you've decided to place it in. Okay, so again, watch my video. I also want to just share with you some examples, just to give you some ideas, help you get your creative energies flowing. So here's some examples from past students. So here's one for the month of October. Here's another example. This is November. And here's just one more example for the month of August. Okay, tips for a successful week. Don't procrastinate. Log in. Complete all your reading assignments. Watch the videos. Complete your discussion board question by Thursday. Submit this week's assignment by Sunday. Contact me and let me help you cross the finish line. Have a great week. Looking forward to Excel. Take care.